The year is 2124. Close your eyes. Imagine our planet 100 years from now. What do you see? Is it a utopia of technological marvels and environmental harmony? Or a dystopian landscape ravaged by climate change and societal upheaval? The truth, as with most things, likely lies somewhere in between. One thing is certain, the Earth of 2124 will be a vastly different place than the one we inhabit today. We stand on the precipice of an era defined by unprecedented technological advancements and environmental challenges. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and the future of humanity. What will our cities look like? How will we power our homes and transportation systems? Will we have conquered disease and extended human lifespan? And perhaps the most profound question of all, will we have learned to coexist sustainably with our planet and with each other? The answers to these questions remain shrouded in the mists of time. But by examining the trends shaping our present, we can catch glimpses of the possibilities that lie ahead. Join me now on a journey through time as we explore the potential trajectories of our planet and our species over the next century. Imagine a world where the boundaries between human and machine begin to blur, creating a seamless integration of our biological and technological selves, where the awesome processing power of artificial intelligence merges with the creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence of the human brain, forming a new kind of synergy. This is the potential future of humanity, a future where we transcend our biological limitations and unlock new realms of cognitive capability, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. The seeds of this transformation are being sown even as we speak, with groundbreaking research and innovations happening around the globe. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, surpassing human capabilities in increasingly complex tasks, from data analysis to creative problem solving. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, making them more efficient and interconnected. But the true revolution may lie in the merging of human and artificial intelligence, creating a hybrid mind that leverages the strengths of both. Imagine brain-computer interfaces that allow us to seamlessly integrate with AI systems, augmenting our cognitive abilities and expanding our sensory perceptions beyond current human limits. Imagine accessing and processing information at lightning speed, effortlessly translating languages, or even controlling prosthetic limbs with our thoughts, making the impossible possible. This fusion of biology and technology raises profound ethical and philosophical questions, challenging our understanding of identity and consciousness. What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? How will our relationships and societies evolve? Will we be able to control these technologies, or will they ultimately control us? The balance of power and autonomy is at stake. These are questions that will challenge us in the decades to come as we navigate the complexities of this new era. But one thing is clear, the rise of the hybrid mind has the potential to reshape our species in ways we can only begin to imagine, heralding a new chapter in human evolution. For millennia, extinction has been an irreversible sentence. Countless species have vanished from our planet, their songs silenced and their ecological roles left unfilled. But what if we could turn back the clock on extinction? What if we could bring back the magnificent creatures that once roamed the Earth?
Advances in genetic engineering and biotechnology are bringing us closer than ever to this once unthinkable possibility. Scientists are already working to resurrect extinct species like the woolly mammoth and the passenger pigeon, using preserved DNA to reconstruct their genomes.
The prospect of bringing back extinct species is both exhilarating and ethically complex. On the one hand, it offers the tantalizing possibility of restoring lost biodiversity and righting the ecological wrongs of the past. Imagine herds of woolly mammoths once again roaming the Siberian tundra, their massive forms shaping the landscape and creating new habitats for other species.
On the other hand, resurrecting extinct species raises profound ecological and ethical questions. could the introduction of these species have unintended consequences for existing ecosystems? And do we have the right to bring back creatures that have been extinct for millennia, potentially altering the course of evolution itself? These are questions that we must grapple with as we explore the frontiers of de-extinction. The decisions we make today will have far-reaching consequences for the future of life on Earth.
Section 4. Reaching for the Stars. Space Exploration, 2025 to 2035. The next decade promises to be a golden age of space exploration, marked by ambitious missions and groundbreaking discoveries. With advancements in technology and increased collaboration between nations and private companies, the possibilities are endless. With private companies like SpaceX joining the ranks of national space agencies, the final frontier is becoming increasingly accessible. These companies are not only pushing the boundaries of what is possible, but also driving down the costs of space travel, making it more feasible for future generations. SpaceX, led by the visionary Elon Musk, has set its sights on nothing less than making humanity a multi-planetary species. This ambitious goal is not just about exploration, but about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. The company's Starship program, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for deep space travel, is slated to play a pivotal role in this endeavor. Starship's design and capabilities are set to revolutionize space travel, making it more sustainable and efficient. In the coming years, SpaceX plans to use Starship to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. This will involve not just landing on the Martian surface, but building habitats, growing food, and creating a self-sustaining colony. But before venturing to the Red Planet, Starship will first prove its mettle closer to home. It will undergo rigorous testing and missions in Earth's orbit to ensure its readiness for the challenges of deep space. The company has already secured a contract with NASA to develop a lunar variant of Starship, known as the Human Landing System, or HLS. This variant will be specifically designed to land on the Moon and support human missions. The HLS will play a crucial role in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025. This program is a significant step towards sustainable lunar exploration and long-term human presence on the Moon. This time, however, the goal is not just to plant a flag and come home. The Artemis program aims to establish a long-term human presence on the Moon, paving the way for future exploration of Mars and beyond. Artemis envisions a sustained human presence on the lunar surface, with astronauts living and working on the Moon for extended periods. This will involve setting up habitats, conducting scientific research, and testing new technologies. The Moon will serve as a proving ground for technologies and strategies that will be essential for future missions to Mars. This includes testing life support systems, habitats, and other critical technologies in the Moon's harsh environment. Astronauts will test new spacesuits, rovers, and habitats, and conduct scientific experiments in the Moon's unique environment. These experiments will provide valuable data and insights that will be crucial for the success of future missions to Mars and beyond. Section 5. Destination Mars. The Red Planet Beckons. Mars, the enigmatic red planet, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Its allure lies not just in its striking red appearance, but in the mysteries it holds beneath its surface. Its rusty hues and ancient landscapes hint at a past that may have once harbored life. The dried-up riverbeds and vast canyons suggest that water, a key ingredient for life, once flowed here. And now, thanks to the relentless march of technological progress, Mars is about to become our next home. The advancements in space travel and habitat construction are making this dream a reality. SpaceX plans to launch its first uncrewed mission to Mars in the early 2020s, followed by a crewed mission as early as 2029. These missions are not just about exploration, but about establishing a foothold on another world. These missions will lay the groundwork for a permanent human settlement on the Red Planet, a goal that SpaceX aims to achieve by 2040. This ambitious timeline reflects the urgency and excitement surrounding Mars colonization. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars will be one of the most ambitious and challenging endeavors in human history. It will require innovation, resilience, and international collaboration. The Red Planet is a harsh and unforgiving environment with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and intense radiation. These conditions pose significant challenges to human survival and settlement. But the challenges of Mars are not insurmountable. Human ingenuity and determination have always found ways to overcome obstacles. The planet possesses vast reserves of water ice, which can be extracted and used for drinking, agriculture, and even rocket fuel. This resource is crucial for sustaining life and supporting long-term missions. Its soil, though thin and lacking in organic matter, can be enriched to support plant life. Scientists are developing methods to cultivate crops in Martian greenhouses, ensuring a steady food supply for future colonists. And as for the challenges of radiation and a thin atmosphere, these can be mitigated through a combination of shielding, underground habitats, and eventually, perhaps even terraforming. These solutions will protect inhabitants and create a more Earth-like environment. The colonization of Mars will mark a turning point in human history. It represents the next giant leap for mankind, expanding our presence beyond Earth. It will be the first time that our species has established a permanent presence on another planet, and it will pave the way for the expansion of human civilization into the cosmos. This endeavor will inspire future generations to continue exploring and pushing the boundaries of what is possible.